Hey everyone, so I'm doing the last of the Fantasy Makers summer collection. I say it's summer. Came out in the spring, but I call it the summer collection. I'm doing Mosh Pit, and it's the green. And using the last color of these that I haven't used. Hand still hurts. Phantom. Okay, it's more of a sheer, very sheer, beigey, shimmery color. Start out with that pretty, beautiful green. That's one of my favorite green colors. I really don't like lime green. This is more of what I call like a sea green, or a true green, actually. A sea green has the tiniest touch of a cool tone, tiniest touch of blue. But it still looks green, not like an aqua. This is more of a true light green. My hand is still hurting. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That is a very, very pretty green. My favorite greens are a deep emerald green, like a true deep green. And, like a true light green. I think it's so pretty. I forgot to do my brows. And then I'm going to put that gorgeous green color in there. And for highlighter, I'm using Illuminati. And I'm just gonna put Panther a little touch, just to give it just a tiny bit more definition. That green is really intense that the black didn't go into it. That was weird. So for the, I don't want to use this hand too much. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use the gold, the inner part of the eye, and the outer part I'll use the green. You know, I think this might be the only palette. Might be the only palette with the dark one color. It's usually a matte and a frost. I think that green is a frost too. But anyway, let's just put some of that. I'm only using these glitters to do these looks, but I would never use them like that unless I was gonna dab real glitter into it, because that will hold on to the real glitter and it won't crease, or should it crease. So let me finish my makeup. I'm just gonna, as usual, just regular like black mascara liner, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I had already used up all of my lip glosses, and I had one more liquid eyeshadow left, and it was such a pretty color. It's called Trance. It's like a mauve with gold shimmer, but like I have said before, it's very sheer. I have put on a Revlon purple lip liner, Violet Rush. I think it's a matte lip liner. I just put the lip liner on the outside, rubbed it a little bit, and then put the trance on, and then just kind of like, blended it together. And then this is probably going to be dry, so I just put some lip oil, lip gloss on over it. But I think it looks pretty. So yes, this is the last one.